Hey folks, Todd here. Today we're going to install the Trifecta E-Series from RealTruck on this Chevy Silverado 2500. No tools are required for this installation. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, now this is the way that the cover is going to come out of the box. One thing I want to point out to you, you're going to have some straps with buckles that are attached up here. This portion right here is going to go over top of your bulkhead. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick this up, put it on top of the bed caps, and get it nice and centered as far up on the bulkhead as we can for right now. All right, now from this point, what we're going to do is we're going to unbuckle the cover and then gently fold it back to the tailgate and get it centered side to side and front to back. Okay, now that we've got the cover set where we want it, we're going to very gently fold it forward to the front, making sure we do not shift it side to side. That way we can set our clamps down below. All right, let's head down below. We're going to go ahead and undo all of this. Let this hang down. Now this one is going to go over here to the driver's side. We're going to run this one to the passenger side and get out of the way. All right, next what we want to do is make sure that this clamp is on the other side of this safety strap. So we're just going to send it through just like so, and then bring it back down. Now, what we want to do is make sure that this jaw goes underneath the bed cap and hooks on to the metal flange. Make sure you're not hooking on just to the plastic. We want to make sure we're hooking on the metal. We're going to set it over there, rotate it over. I like to bring it up, make connection, and then just twist this and get it connected. All right, once we've got it connected, we're just going to do 2 full turns. 1, 2, and that should lock us in place. Next, what we're going to do is bring our safety tether over to the side. We're going to loosen that up and then set it into the bed cap. Hold that together and then tighten it down. All right, repeat the same process on the opposite side. Okay, if you are going to drive with the bed partially covered in this position, you want to make sure you use straps on both sides. So what we're going to do is clip that in position. Now I want to point this out. Right now, this isn't drawn down, so I can still get a good amount of air underneath here. We don't want that. So what I'm going to do is kind of push this forward and then pull this all the way tight. That way air can't get underneath. Make sure you do that on both sides before you drive down the road in this position. All right, now as you fold the cover to the back, what we're going to do is locate our handle clamps right back here. What we're going to do is bring that down. Now you'll notice we got a jaw similar to what we had up at the front. We're going to bring this all the way over to the bed cap. This is spring loaded, so we're just going to pull it straight down and lock it in. Make sure it grabs a hold of that metal flange down there. Repeat the same process for the clamp on the opposite side. Well, that's all it takes, and that concludes the installation.